So you're just starting to think about immigrating to Canada, but you're unsure on what path to take. Immigration can be difficult, but it is possible to choose a path that is easy for you. We know that immigration can be complicated, but I'm here to tell you the 5 easiest ways to immigrate to Canada. Here are 5 ways to immigrate to Canada if you're looking for quick and easy. Express entry, family class sponsorship, the LMIA visa, Provincial Nominee program, or Canada Investor program. Now I will go over each one a little more in detail so we can find your easy pathway to Canada. The Express Entry program is a Canadian immigration program that allows immigrants to live and work as a skilled worker through Express Entry. This system allows citizenship and immigration to proactively assess, recruit, and select immigrants who have the skills and/or possess the relevant qualifications under federal economic immigration programs. These programs include the Federal Skilled Worker Program, the Federal Skilled Trades Program, and the Canadian Experience Class. The Express Entry program allows individual provinces and territories to use a system to recruit the best candidates for the Provincial Nominee program so that labor market demands are met. Family class sponsorship. Family reunification remains a cornerstone of Canada's immigration policy. Families living in Canada can sponsor their relatives to come live with them on a permanent basis. In order to qualify to sponsor, you must be a Canadian citizen or a permanent resident. You are able to sponsor your spouse or children under 22, but there are some expectations. Sponsoring your parents or grandparents are no longer an option at this time, but you can bring them to Canada under the Super Visa category. The LMIA Work Visa. Many applicants for Canada immigration first get Canada job offers, apply for a work visa, and then on that basis, immigrate to Canada. The LMIA involves securing a Canadian job offer, having your Canadian employer apply for the LMIA through Service Canada, and then the applicant applying for the work permit after the LMIA is approved. This is a very involved process, but it can lead to permanent residency. Provincial Nominee Programs. The PNP route is becoming a popular way to immigrate to Canada. Canadian provinces such as Alberta, Ontario, British Columbia, and others have developed their own immigration programs which often lead to a fast-track process. However, the PNP categories often require applicants to reside in the respective provinces after they arrive in Canada. Further, most PNPs require a job offer from a Canadian employer in order to qualify. And last but not least, Canadian Investor Program. The investor category was designed for high net worth business individuals who have owned or managed businesses overseas. By allowing experienced business people to invest in Canada's economy, they are also contributing to Canada's overall growth and prosperity. There are essentially 2 investor programs in Canada, the Federal Investor Program and the Quebec Program. Both programs are somewhat similar and they both require the applicant to have a high net worth and make a large investment in an approved investment fund for a period of 5 years. An investor immigrant can bring their spouse and children as dependents on their application. We often get asked questions about which path is easiest to immigrate to Canada. Our internet followers have asked several questions relating to this topic, so I'm here to answer them right now. Gurpreet Singh asked which program he should apply for to obtain permanent residency without applying for express entry. He explained that he has a Bachelor in Arts and has experience in mechanical background for 3 years. We recommended that he apply for a PNP. Many provinces are looking for applicants with a degree and experience in a specific occupation. Rajini also asked which program she should apply for Canadian immigration based on her 18 years of teaching experience. We suggest applying for the Express Entry as the program favors applicants who have experience in a specific industry, such as teaching. If you would like to immigrate to Canada fast and easy, we recommend applying through one of these 5 programs. Contact us today to see if you qualify, and don't forget to subscribe.